Hey guys, Jim here. I just wanted to do some clarification for you guys for week three, module six, or I'm sorry, thing six. Um, so there's some questions about where to send your Trello or what to do with your Trello. I did just put on Classroom in the stream, I put an announcement. There's a link here of how to share um, your Trello by getting a shareable link. And if you get yourself a shareable link, then you should be able to, on this front page of our classroom, you should be able to make an announcement. You should be, students are set up as of right now to be able to do that. Now, as it says down here, this is a non-educational one, so some things work slightly different. So for some reason, the settings that I have are not allowing you to make announcements on this front page. Let me know right away, and we'll try to get that fixed. But you should be able to paste your Trello link in here so that other people can just click on it and just see it. I mean, we're going to treat this like a discussion kind of a thing. Click on a couple of different people's, look through theirs, maybe leave them some comments or something like that. This should be set up so that when you make a comment that it's able to be commented on. And again, if that doesn't work, let me know. So that's the shareable link part. The other part of the assignment is asking you to do your Google Doc, your one page, you make up your doc, what you're supposed to write up, and then share that with people so that they can make comments. Maybe I was under the wrong understanding, but it seemed like you guys knew each other a lot. Almost a cohort kind of situation. If that's not the case, I don't want you to panic or freak out. But I thought that maybe you guys would be able to communicate and just share your docs. And that's, you simply come over here to the share button. You can type in their actual email address over here, or you can get a shareable link and then send them a link for them to look at. The whole thing here, I'm not going to be looking at these and saying, oh, well, Johnny only did one and didn't comment and blah, blah, blah. The idea here is for you to get the idea of how you share, how you can comment. Because if you're in somebody else's um, document, if you've got the editing rights and all that kind of stuff, you should be able to, if I had some stuff typed in here, you should be able to highlight that in somebody else's doc. Yeah, that word's not in Wikipedia. And you should be able to hit the comment over here and add a comment to it. So that's what I want you guys to get the experience with, is sharing a document, commenting on somebody else's document, because as a teacher, that's what you're going to be doing quite often with students. You're going to, you know, through Classroom, they've shared their documents with you. You'll be able to open them, do some commenting, send it back, and so on. So that's the important part to me. It's not, if you don't get two of them done or whatever, I'm not going to mark you down for that. Um, Again, this is an experience class. This isn't a, oh, I got you because you only did one and I asked you to do two or whatever it is. Okay. If you don't know anybody in the class well enough that you don't know their addresses and all that kind of stuff, um, here's what you could do. And again, you don't have to, but get your shareable link out of here. Get your shareable link, copy the link, and then come into Classroom, and you could post it here if you wanted to. So you could put that there, and put down here who you are. You could say, Jim's document. Uh, Please feel free to leave comments, something like that. Okay, so you could do that. Also know that you could come down and just add the link here, and it would also load that way. I mean, there's different ways you can do it in Classroom. Do it multiple ways if you want, and then post that, and other people then could click on it. They could leave comments down here what they think. Um, so if you don't know somebody else, I'd still like to have you guys get the opportunity to share and look and comment and then share back into the classroom, things like that. That's what I would like to have you guys just play around with. I want this to be more of a experience than it is checking off boxes and saying, yes, I got this, and this done. Um, Okay, and then, yes, when you go to turn in things, you go to classwork. And here, again, it looks different because I'm the teacher, you're the student, but you would view the assignment and then click, there's an add button. You want to add from your Google Drive and then just pick out your document from the Google Drive, click turn in, bada bing, bada boom, it's all turned in right here. And yours will end up saying turned in. And it'd be a beautiful thing. Now, again, if you don't get it, if it doesn't make sense, if it doesn't work, contact me or whatever, and we'll walk through it. This is an experiment. I want you guys to start working with it, looking around, and figuring it out. And if it doesn't make sense, email me. Let me know. I had a couple people who emailed about some of these questions, so here I am making a video that hopefully will help other people. No problems with that at all. So whatever experiences you're having, if you're having difficulties, please let me know. And concerns, questions, whatever you have, email, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.